Hello everyone, welcome to the Day Trading Coach. Really moving quick here. I just took a trade. I want to push this to the right place. Just took a long trade here. And let me switch the screens. This is Friday, October 23rd. Um, this is where I took the long trade. Now we had 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, boom. Price way off the eagle. We should bust through this traveler. That eagle is way above the traveler here. We already bust through once. We should come through this traveler and continue up. The only setback here is that this eagle is below the traveler. But that's unfinished business. The market is having some good moves. I'm gonna just allow the market to tell me either to stay on this trade or to exit. At this point, it's 2.9. This would be a 2.9 trade. And a lot of pressure up here still. This is all very strong. Right here. This eagle is above the traveler. I mean, this hawk, which is this eagle, it is above the traveler, but it's right open still. We just had a low here to this eagle, so we should have enough to run right back up. I'm doing on this chart. I should be doing on the left chart. Should have done that here, but it's okay. The eagle on the 8 is flipping up, so that's a good sign. Okay, it's flipping up green, so it could give me enough momentum to at least get to this unfinished business. I had a minor accident, but enough to put me in bed without the ability to move much for the past 24 hours. So I'm a little bit late into the market today, but all is good. Still enough here to push up a little bit more and close my trade. This is Friday. Hesitated on this long. Everything was a rush, which is not good advice. Just say somewhere roughly over there. We um we did hit unfinished business. Just looking at this eagle pointing back up, because this thing can come all the way back to the entry before it goes higher high. not opposed of closing this trade. I just pre-type the information. Sometimes we normally post the charts without video, but we like to put on the chart. We like to post on the chart that the trade was recorded, so people can look for the video on YouTube. Oops. And there it is. 2.9. A pretty decent trade here, coming in at the last minute. It is already 10:30. Most of the time I don't even trade at this hour, but that's all good. Folks, I'm not my quiet self. I ran a temperature yesterday. Um, I hope you enjoyed this. And why don't you visit DayTrading.Coach, register for a few lessons. There's no charge for that. Attend some of the live classes that we do with our members. Uh, Receive some really neat videos that really can enlighten you about what the market really is. The market is not what's perceived to be. It requires to be successful in the market enough time developing a mindset. A mindset, for example, if you are a professional accountant, you've developed a mindset for that. A lawyer, you developed a mindset for that. You know the ins and outs. You know the structure. You know what to do, what not to do. Most folks, better than 90% of the folks that don't make any money in the market, never go through the time to develop that within them. If you speak German, that's because you put that information inside of you. If you speak Mandarin, it's because you put that information inside of you. You devoted the time to get that into you. Folks don't do that when it comes to the market. That's the biggest issue. They think that by watching a couple videos or attend a weekend class or reading a couple books that they got it. You don't. All I'm asking is take the time to visit the DayTrading.Coach and see and listen and come to realization that this could actually be the place you want to be. And if it not, well, that's okay. But why don't you check it out? DayTrading.Coach. Thank you for listening.